Look where you got that.
Alright, so...
It's gonna be sticky to you.
Alright, Caleb, say hi. Say hi to the subscribers.
What's up?
What are we doing? Alright, let me touch the slime. Oh, it looks like Pennywise's gooey blood.
It's like your gooey blood.
Ready? Wait, we'll do it again. I'm gonna do it again.
Bro.
Wait, we're looking at pens.
Alright, bro. That's enough. Put it back. Take it off. Get your hands. Bro, what the fuck? Oh my god.
Oh my god, what did we do? What did we do?
Alright, we gotta take it off fast. We gotta move it fast.
I'm rubbing it. Alright, I'm clean now.
Bro, we had a better hurry up because
There's some on your cheek.
because you.
Yeah, just
Bro, you have to give me $2 for that.
no.
$1 for that.
Let me get the glue up, right?
How about $0 for that?
Yeah, $0. All right. So,
Bro, it's everywhere now.
I'm not gonna touch it anymore. What are you guys doing?
I'm taking mine off. It's messed up now.
Oh, I'm not touching it again. My skin feels weird now.
Duh, it's Clorox.
What is it? What is this? Clay?
No.
Goo?
Yes, it's slime.
Where a kid can be a kid.
Chuck E. Cheese.
All right, so guys, get it off before the bus driver sees it.
I think that's enough.
So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
What is it, bro?
So this whole video is gonna be about a vlog.
Hey, no, put it longer. It's slow.
Huh?
Make this video longer. Let's get stuff. It's just.
I only have enough room for 14 minutes and 46 seconds.
Alright then.
All right, let's make it that long. So guys, I need to explain. So,
Hey, bro, tell them how you make this.
Okay.
how'd you make?
Everybody didn't know how to. They already know how to make it.
No, not everybody.
Yes, they do.
No.
This is basically piss and shit. All right, I'm gonna put it like this, and then put it like this, so the subscribers can see what it is. Move your hands, so the subscribers.
Shut up, bro. I'm trying to take this shit.
I'm taping every single thing you guys are doing.
Why?
okay.
Are you freaking stalker? Are you going to my house?
No, I might get subscribers for the funniness. I only have 2 at the moment.
Bruh.
I just started, okay? I just
For my
started.
channel, I have 5, so I'm gonna have 5.
And I'm gonna touch it,
Hey,
guys.
bro, if you guys let me in all your videos, guess what I'll do? I'll get you guys up to 5,675 subscribers. You know how?
How?
I got my friend. Your pants. Come on.
Let me get that off there.
Take it off. Take it off.
Hurry up. Take it off. Just rub it on your pants.
No.
Just rub it on your pants. Go on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get it off your pants.
When I get home, I'll make it better. I'm gonna put more Tide.
Here.
It's too sticky.
Oh my god, it's sticking to your hands.
Bro, just rub it off. Just rub it on your pants. It won't get everywhere.
Hurry. No. What?
We're almost there.
Wait, what happened to all of that? Jake,
What's wrong with your ass?
Jake. Hurry, we're almost there. Jacob, put it back. Put it all back. It looks like glue shit.
Like aliens, like a blue alien shit.
Put it back, Jacob. Let me do it.
Just rub it all over everywhere. Just rub it. Bro, guys, rub it.
Oh, there's some spilling. Jacob, just
Jacob,
put it
what's
in
there?
there. Oh my god. Where's the top? Where's the top? Oh my.
Legit, bro.
Hurry!
Bro, we're turning the fucking hurry in 3, 2,
1. Don't do that. Get it off. Get it off. Get it off. Get down.
It's okay.
Let's hide it. Guys, hide it.
I got it.
That's what I was gonna do. Alright, cover it.
Hey, bro, I got my shoulder too.
Cover it.
My shoulder's gonna be off later.
So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you give me 3 subscribers, I'll do a try not to laugh video.
Yeah, guys, it's gonna be lit. So yeah, I'll see you guys.
Yeah, bro.
Next
See you
time.
for the next time video.
No, it's gonna be a long video.
Bro, guys, I have it everywhere.
So that's why we're hiding.
Bro, no.
It's
Don't forget all my shit.
alright then.
Guys, we'll see you